Hi, good morning. Paul here. The Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. It is August 7th, 2019. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. Okay, so today's new listings are, we have a single family here, 269.9, 331 car garage, 1,600 square feet. Doesn't sound bad. 2-story, 1 car garage. Looks nice and clean. River Street, 2013 built. Cactus and Southern Highlands. Oh, nice little subdivision right there. That's nice. Okay. Good area too. I mean, you've got shopping real close by. Shopping's right here. Interesting. Okay. Excuse me. Alright, so we're getting about 11 or 12, maybe even 15 early in the morning like this. So we've got Thomas Base Circle, 489.9, 4,200 square feet. Sounds like a pretty good deal. 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3 car garage, 2006 built. That's a nice house. Nice curb appeal. Like the style. Good kitchen, nice and big. Double ovens. This is kind of odd. Step up in your bathtub too. Office area with a fireplace, circular staircase. Banisters are nice. A lot of light in this house. Looks like it's up north somewhere. Big lot. A nice pool in there. All these pavers. Big 3-car garage. Where is this little sucker? Oh, it's out in Boulder City, I think. Oh, Logandale, way out there. No wonder. So cheap. Shouldn't have been looking at that one. Look at this one. Okay. 1 story. Don't like the tile. Okay. And that is 439, 2,085 square feet. Chaparral, Horizon and Pacific Greenway. Okay, over there, Black Mountain area. Gotcha. So what was I? Oh, I wanted to see what size lot this was. Look at that, 1/2 acre. No wonder it was so big. Okay. Next, yesterday we have a condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. What's this with a pool and spa? Community pool and spa, yeah. Clean unit. 109,000. Rampart and Cheyenne, okay. Summerlin area. Just below Sun City. Okay. A lot of listings yesterday. Highest price, 2 million in round figures on Edmond Street. 5,500 square feet. 16 car garage with pool and spa. Wow. Nice backyard. Look at that. Nice house. Don't like the kitchen particularly, but that can be changed. Little step-in tubs. Nice walk-in double-headed shower. Wow. Covered patio. Nice backyard. So where is this friggin' garage? Blue Diamond, Edmond. Big lot. Oh, there's the garage over there. Look at all these cars. It's a big lot. How big is it? Jeez, 2 acres. Wow. Horse property. Interesting. Okie dokie. So that's about it for now. So let's see. The highest priced property listed the last couple of days was this one over on Tournament Canyon. 6 bedroom, 7 bath, 5 car garage, pool and spa, built in 14. Let's take a look at that one just for the heck of it. It's quite a house. A golf course. Yep, quite a house. Stainless steel and black. And where is it? 3.5 million. Summerlin Parkway. Okay. And the lowest priced one in the last few days is out of the area. In the area was this 105 condo, 700 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. No pictures. Harmon and Lindell. Oh, Spring Valley. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we got here. We have under contract. We have 503 under contract. Sold. Today we got this one, New York Avenue. It was reported 310,000. Okay. Big overgrown tree. Nice house though. Jeez. Okay. Bonanza, 71.8. Wow. Nice little unit. Gotta be a rental unit. Okay. Well, that's it. So we like to look at the properties that have gone into contract that have pools. 48 in the last 2 days. Okay, clusters are down here and up here. Anywhere from 225 to 2.895. Villa Bellagio, 6,900 square feet. Wow, nice. And then this one, 13,000 square feet. Wow, look at that. It's all over the freaking place. Indoor swimming pool, master bedroom, guest quarters. Wow. Something else. Sprawling. Needs some updating, but how big of a lot is it? 2.1 acres. Wow. Built in 55, like one of the first ones. Wow, interesting. Okie dokie. Well, that's it for today. You have a great day, and talk to you next time.